The fourth question. I borrowed rupees 12,000 from Jamshed at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. Had I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compound interest, what extra would I have to pay? Means if I have borrowed 12,000, 6% rate of interest in 2 years, and if I calculate by simple interest and the same amount, same percent by compound interest. So what will be the difference between compound interest and simple interest for this particular period and particular amount at same rate of interest, that is 6%. So I have done a simple calculations. So this is for simple interest. Okay. So SI is equal to PRT upon 100. 12,000 multiplied by 6 upon 2 years is given. So if we cancel it out, we will get 0, 0 get cancelled. So 120 and 6 to 12. 12 12 are 144 and 0. So rupees how much simple interest? Okay. That is 1440. Same way they are asking that if same amount, same rate, same compound interest and compounded annually. Okay, so if it is compounded annually, then amounting method, amount 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to n. So 12,000 1 plus 6 by 100 raised to 2. So if I find LCM, so 100 plus 6, it will become 106 upon 100 raised to 2. So 12,000 106 into 106. Now I cancel is the 0 0 0 काट दिया है, this 0 ठीक है, 3 0 और है तो यहाँ पे 10 का एक 0 बच गया. Now 12 into 106 into 106, if I do the cancellation of this, so if I multiply all these 3, so it will be this much, and if I do still divided by 10, it will be 13,483.20 paisa. So this is amount. So compound interest will be amount minus principal. So 13,483.20 minus 12,000. So I am getting 1,483.20. Now they are asking what will be the difference paid by the same person if I pay, and which one will be excess. Compound interest is excess as we see both this amount. Okay, this is simple interest, this is compound interest. Which one is more? This one is more. Clear? So compound interest is more excess than simple interest. How much? So compound interest minus simple interest. So 1,483.20 rupees minus 1,440. So round about 43.20 rupees more if I calculate by compound interest. Hope so this sum clear to you all. Now we proceed for the next sum.